two palms together, and then side by side in the back. Release tension on all the cells of your skin. Okay, refresh yourself. So we do this massage can support your brain to relax, circulate your head blood. Okay, you can click connection area under your left shoulder bone. Okay, this is very good for your heart. Okay, make your heart healthier. Within. Raise your hands up, stand by your toes, and then out. Ha! Okay, you make a sound ha to release. Let it. We are safe, and we are concentrated, and we are mindful. Let it go all stress and fear. You are truly present with your movement and with your body, and that is another aspect of Qigong that help you to cultivate vitality and healing right away. Right now, I start first from my body. Bring my mind back to my body, and the breathing is partly from my body, is my breathing. And then what happens? I have some relaxing. I have some mindfulness energy. I have some love for my body. And that is healing happen. Because whatever you feel relaxed, you feel healed in your body. If you cannot relax, healing cannot happen. And the opposite of relaxing is stress and anxieties. So we build up too much about stress and anxiety in our body, in our mind. Because when you breathe in and out, you really together with the earth, together with the air. And then you feel grateful to the community as well. Meditation together with Qigong, always. So that's why healing happens not only for body, but also for the mind. So we can take some time to massage our body, okay? Left palm inside, right palm outside. So we can move with the clockwise direction. You press a little bit to feel your lower abdomen, support your stomach, chest system working better. At the same time to circulate the blood for your belly. Breathe in, out. When you have a stomach upset, you can do this one in support. So wonderful, your two hands support your body. You can massage for your own body, right? With energy of love and peace. And two palms together. Massage until you feel warmth. And then side by side in the back. The other hand. Then massage your face. Breathe in. Release tension on all the cells of your skin. Okay. Refresh yourself. And then 10 fingers on your head, okay? Look like you use a brush, right? Brush your hair, okay? Go down like this. Look like you massage your head, beside your head, right? And then front of your head. So we do this massage, can support your brain to relax, circulate your head blood, okay? Breathe in, out. Stop your thinking. Just feel it. Feel your brain. Feel your head relaxed. That's wonderful. Then you can massage your back. Go down your two legs. Go to front. So you can do 3 rounds like that. That's good. 2 hands or 2 arms. 2 sides of your arms. Good for your hands and your heart, lungs. Okay. The other hand. One more time. Your left palm on your lower abdomen. Right palm with 5 fingers together. You can click connection area under your left shoulder's bone, okay? Between your left chest and your left shoulder, right here. Okay? You click 20 times and then change to another, to the right side. This is very good for your heart, okay? Make your heart healthier. Breathe in, out. Right side, good for your lungs. One more time. Left. Right side. That's so wonderful. Left palm, right palm holding together. And then you breathe in and out for 3 times, okay? You will strengthen your wrists, but at the same time to support your palms. Make your palms healthier. Breathe in, out. You are supporting together. Your 2 hands support each other. In, out. And put your left palm down, hold back. Breathe in and out 3 times. Relax your hands. Right hand, left palm holding your right arm. Put down, hold back, breathe in, out, in, so wonderful. Breathe in, raise your hands up, stand by your toes, and then out, ha! Okay, you make a sound, ha, to release, let it go. Let it go completely, your tensions and worries, stress down to the earth, okay? In. Louder. In. One more time. In. That's powerful. Inhale deep. Exhale.